If you log into the Whop page right now, you'll notice that it's got a new interface. They've upgraded to version 4.0. Literally, it's a big change from the previous version. Here we are on the hub page. This shows the Whops I've joined. And over here is my own Whop. Back in version 3, when you wanted to create an app inside your community, you'd click on Create Product, right? But in version 4, what we used to call a product is now called a Whop. In your Whop, you can have multiple apps. Each Whop is part of what is called an organization, which is basically a collection of Whops. For example, I have one organization called YouTube for Digital Entrepreneurs, and another one simply called Digital Entrepreneur. I'm going to show you inside my organization. In version 4, you get this new store page that's totally customizable. I think they have designed the killer layout for you. You can upload image files or videos in the top section for your store banners. I love that. You just click Add Logo, upload your logo image, change the name, tweak the headline, and add a description right here. You can also edit the call to action. Once you're done, click Save. If you complete all the information, you can even apply to be featured on the Discovery page, which is Whop's marketplace. And if you get traffic from there, they'll take a 30% cut. So it's up to you whether you want to join or not. Starting from the top, this is the header section. Edit details is what we just did. This area acts like your social proof. It can show who's already joined your community. If you don't have anyone yet, you can choose not to display it. Over here are the apps, like I mentioned. Within a Whop, you can have multiple apps. In version 3, these were called products. It's pretty similar. Right now, I have 2, courses and forums. And the tabs up here have basically become the main navigation for Whop. Clicking Edit Apps lets you add more. Hit New Apps, and you can add apps just like you did with products in version 3. It could be a Discord community, Telegram group, whatever you like. Moving down, we've got the creator bio. Here's where you tell people why you're qualified to teach this stuff, whether you're a chef, a trainer, or a marketing consultant. Share your story so your audience can get to know more. It's your personal bio. Fill it in and hit Save. Next is Persona, where you let people know who your community is for. You can add up to 5 personas. I added one, Solo Digital Makers. It's an easy way to show who would benefit most from joining. Now, let's talk about pricing. I've set up an option at $10 per month. You can add more pricing tiers if you want. I also wanted to offer a free community, so I added that too. You can choose instant access, where people join immediately, or set up a waiting list, where you approve them later on. Click Continue. You can set the duration here and then make it visible to the public. When you set it up like this, you'll notice the free option shows up instead of the $10 ones. If you want to create a paid community along with the free, we'll get to that in a bit. Scrolling down, we have Edit Benefits, where you list what people get when they join your community. I added just one benefit, grow your own community, but you can add up to 5 benefits. Then there's the FAQ section for any questions people may have before joining. You can add up to 5 FAQs to help clear things up. Under the Review section, members can rate and review your community, but they need to be part of it for a while before they can leave a review. This helps prevent spam. You can encourage your members to share their thoughts here. This can help you as your social proof as well. At the bottom, there's Become Affiliate. If you want people to help promote your community, you can enable this option. For now, I've turned it off since I'm not looking for affiliates at the moment. You can edit all of these from the right side menu here. Click on it, and you'll see options like Manage Group, Manage App, and Pricing. Now I want to create 2 communities, one free and one paid. Right now, there's no product like in version 3. So we have to manage our Whops inside the organization. Within that, you can have multiple Whops, some free, some paid. Then the pricing will display under the Offer section. Let me show you how. I want to create a new Whop, so I'll click Create New. It'll ask if I want to create a new organization or a Whop within the existing one. I'll choose to create my new Whop inside the existing organization, but this Whop is going to be my paid Whop. And then I want this to be a paid option. So in Manage Pricing, click Add Pricing. It can be a subscription or a single payment. In this case, I would select a subscription and then fill in the details. Let's say I set it at $10. Customize the rest as you like. Click Continue and make it visible to the public. Now, in the new Whop we created, there's a paid option. It shows up under Offer. If we go back to the community we set up earlier, the free one, and scroll down, you'll see both the free and paid subscription offers. You can edit these offers as needed. So when people visit your community, they'll see both, and the paid one directs them to the new Whop we just set up. Version 4 is organized this way. You can choose which Whops to feature and have as many as you like. Free ones, paid ones, each with their own apps inside, depending on how you design it. You can preview what visitors will see by toggle here. So now, I've got both a free and a paid community. I can add more offers if I create more Whops. It's pretty flexible. That's about it for setting up Whop version 4.0. Literally, I think it looks fantastic. The new store page is beautiful and optimized for high conversion. I believe this layout will help your community grow day by day. Give it a try and see how it works for you. If you want to grow your community with your YouTube channel, don't forget to watch the next video.